Hello everyone. If you have fluorescent LED lights like this one, and you can see it's flashing or blinking fast, this could be very easy fix. And so watch what happen when I hold this. See, so that means there's something broken in this board here. See, as soon as I hold it like that, so this means it's a this one it could be like broken line of those connection in here. See, as soon as I hold it and it's on, it's working good, and now it's back again. So let's find out what's broken in this electronic board, and we'll fix it. First, unplug it from the power. I tried to find the shortage or the broken or loose component or one of those connection lines, but unfortunately it's very hard to see. I'm just using my smartphone to locate any broken connection or broken component of those green lines here. You can see it's very tiny here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use a soldering iron, and since they are not too many here, I'll go quickly with those, touch them up a little bit. It may be very tiny crack, and just hard to see, actually very hard to see. So I'll go with the soldering iron quickly on those ones, and we'll test it after and see if that's can fix the problem or not. After I soldered pretty much everything, almost like 90% of the entire this electronic board, except those the very tiny ones here. But everything here I kind of heated up, and maybe it was a crack or something not connected right. Now it's time to test it and see if that's helped to fix the problem, and it did. So it's working good. See, and yeah, that's now if I move this board, so still you can see when I move it, but I'm not worried about that. And as long as it's working now fine, that should be good. Okay, now it's time to put it back.